It is the all body parts of tailstock. Here we will see how it is assembled with different parts of tailstock. Here we see the main body part, and inside it is a cylindrical hollow part through which the barrel comes and goes, and it is the center part that is inserted into the barrel, and there is a little taper at the back of the center, and so we will see that the inside of the barrel is so tapered to insert the center. This center is sliding with the barrel, and here is a key. It's called feather key. Feather key is helps to slide the barrel. Feather key is inserted in this portion of the body. If we look at the barrel upside down, we see that there is a cut of T-slot which is guide the barrel to slide and prevent the barrel from slip. I cut this T-slot part of the barrel for better understand. This is spindle which is inserted inside the barrel. Almost whole length of the spindle has cut a square thread, and similarly inside of the barrel also cut the square thread. Spindle is just like a screw and barrel is like a nut, so spindle or screw is inserted inside the barrel. For rotate the spindle, a bearing is fitted at the right side of the body is called spindle bearing. It helps to rotate the spindle. In this way, it is attached to the spindle. For fix the spindle bearing with the body, it is tightened with 4 screws like this. When we will rotate the spindle, the barrel will go forward. And when we rotate the spindle in opposite direction, it will come backwards. We rotate the spindle with a hand wheel, which is attached to the right side of the spindle. This is the front view and side view of the wheel. Now we will first attach a washer to tighten the wheel with the spindle. After that, we attach a nut to tighten the wheel with the spindle. Then we will draw the assembled drawing of tailstock. We take any distance between the head of the barrel key and starting point of the T-slot. Okay. To draw this portion, join the line at the end point of the semicircle to the end point of 40 mm distance. After that, take a radius of 40 mm. Then take a center by assuming approximately point where the fillet can be touched. By using this point as a center, draw an arc. Similarly, draw another arc. Now use this intersecting point as a center. Draw the fillet. Now to draw the fillet in this portion of the body, at first we take the fillet radius 38. Then from corner point we will mark this distance on this two line. Then use this marking point, we will draw two arc. Okay, now use this intersecting point between two arcs, we will draw the fillet radius of 38 millimeter. And you will see here the fillet will definitely touch these 2 points. Now applying same method, we will draw fillet in 4 places inside this body. To start the feather key, draw a center line 25 millimeter distance from the left side of the body where there are hollow parts. Then complete it as per dimensions. Okay. Next, we will draw the part barrel. Before starting barrel, we will see the barrel and feather key once again, where we see that slot is starting after the distance 25 millimeter from the left side of the barrel. So we start the drawing taking more than 25 millimeter distance from the left side of feather key's head. For center, here given the taper is 1:15. That means if we go horizontally 15 millimeter, then vertically increase 1 millimeter. Here we take the distance 30 millimeter for better to draw. So vertically it will be increased by 2 millimeter. That means 9 to 11 millimeter. Follow this method. Otherwise, you can join directly from the end of 18 millimeter to 22 millimeter because the extreme die is given here. Automatically it will be tapered. Okay, now draw this as per given dimension. To draw the spindle, match the hollow part of spindle bearing with the part of spindle at the right side. We see here it is dia 19 millimeter and length is 18 millimeter. Start here to draw the spindle and then draw the right side, after that the left side. Draw this hollow portion finally on the body part. We almost finished our drawing. The rest is just to do hatching line. This is our final assembly drawing after giving the hatching line. In the main body part, instead of full section, we have shown partial section.